Good evening. My name is Kaylee Minarski. Thank you for allowing me to make this pitch. I currently have a bachelor's degree in legal studies. I'm working towards my master's of arts in psychology. I am a registered behavior therapist as well as a guardian ad litem, a certified victim advocate. All of these things that I feel would help me in the position of being eventually a BCBA in the school district. I think that a BCBA in the school district, I know there's one right now in particular, but I think that with all of the children in the ESE classes and the EBD throughout the school district and in the three major cities, we need more than one BCBA. These children need more hands-on, and I feel that I'd be able to help with that. I have experience in the classroom setting with some of my clients, as well as I have a good understanding of Skinner's theory and operant conditioning, and basically just how to get that instructional control and make sure that the operation and the behavior is under the right stimulus. I appreciate you allowing me to pitch this, and I hope that you take me into consideration. Thank you so much.